Ever wondered how the intricate network of tunnels beneath our cities come into existence? This question leads us to the fascinating world of underground tunnel construction. These engineering marvels are more than just passages. They are the veins and arteries of our cities, carrying vital resources and people to their destinations. They are the result of countless hours of planning, hard work, and technological innovation. They are hiding in plain sight, beneath our feet, and yet they are essential to our daily lives. Let's delve into the intricate process of creating these subterranean passages. Before a single shovel hits the dirt, there's a crucial stage of meticulous planning. The subterranean world is a realm of the unknown, and to navigate this, engineers employ geological surveys. These surveys provide a detailed understanding of the Earth's structure beneath our feet. They help identify potential hazards like water bodies, fault lines, or unstable soil, ensuring the tunnel's safety. Next, they pore over blueprints, these architectural masterpieces that map out the tunnel in intricate detail. Each curve, each incline, each measurement is meticulously plotted, leaving nothing to chance. Risk assessment, too, plays a vital role. It's a process that anticipates and addresses potential issues, whether they be environmental, structural, or safety-related. It's about foreseeing the unforeseen, if you will. Lastly, engineers determine the best route for the tunnel, considering factors like the shortest distance, least disruption to surface structures, and geological conditions. Once the planning phase is complete, the real work begins. With blueprints in hand and a clear path defined, it's time to start digging. The process of excavation is one that marries the precision of modern technology with the raw power of heavy machinery. It's a sight to behold when tunnel boring machines, or TBMs as they're commonly known, come into play. These mechanical marvels, often as long as 2 football fields, are the workhorses of tunnel construction. The TBM's rotating cutter head, studded with robust disc cutters, grinds away at the earth, creating a tunnel that's as precise as the plans that guide it. Meanwhile, the conveyor system efficiently whisks away the excavated material, leaving a clear path in its wake. But digging is only half the story. As the TBM forges ahead, an equally important task unfolds behind it. The tunnel, fresh from the TBM's cutter head, is a raw, unstable structure. To prevent a collapse, the tunnel needs immediate support. This is where the TBM's trailing shield comes into play. As the machine advances, the trailing shield installs precast concrete segments, forming a sturdy ring that holds up the tunnel. These concrete rings are the unsung heroes of tunnel construction, silently taking on the immense pressure of the earth above and around them. They ensure that the tunnel remains a safe, stable structure, ready to accommodate whatever it's designed to carry. With the tunnel dug out, the next step is to ensure its stability. A tunnel is only as good as its structural integrity. From the initial digging, we move on to the crucial phase of strengthening the tunnel. This is where the bare tunnel gets its armor, either in the form of concrete or steel lining, depending on the geology of the site and the intended use of the tunnel. The lining not only provides structural support, but also shapes the tunnel, making it safe and functional for its intended purpose. The lining process is a meticulous one. Each segment of the tunnel is lined with precision to ensure that the tunnel's shape remains consistent throughout its length. This consistency is vital for the safe and efficient operation of the tunnel, be it for transportation, water conveyance, or any other purpose. But it's not just about the physical strength of the tunnel, it's also about longevity. And that's where waterproofing plays a pivotal role. Waterproofing is essential to prevent the ingress of water, which could potentially weaken the structure over time. It involves applying a waterproof membrane to the tunnel lining, thereby creating a barrier against any potential water leakage. The waterproofing process is just as meticulous as the lining process, with every inch of the tunnel being covered. This ensures that the tunnel remains dry and structurally sound for years or even decades to come. With the tunnel reinforced, we're almost at the end of our journey. The tunnel is dug and reinforced, but our work isn't over yet. As we move on to the final touches, we begin with the installation of necessary systems. It's time to bring light into the darkness, fitting out the tunnel with a robust lighting system. This not only ensures visibility for users, but also enhances safety. But light isn't the only essential element we need to introduce into our tunnel. Fresh air is vital too, so a well-designed ventilation system is paramount. This system will continually circulate air, maintaining a healthy environment inside the tunnel and ensuring the comfort of its users. Now let's talk about fire safety. In the unlikely event of a fire, it's crucial to have a comprehensive fire safety system in place. This includes fire extinguishers, alarm systems, and emergency escape routes. These are installed meticulously to ensure the maximum safety of all users. Once the installation of these systems is complete, our tunnel is almost ready. But remember, a tunnel, like any other structure, requires regular maintenance. This ensures its safe operation and longevity. Maintenance involves routine checks of the lighting, ventilation, and fire safety systems. It also includes monitoring the tunnel for any signs of wear and tear, and promptly addressing any issues that arise. This process of continual care and upkeep is just as important as the initial construction. It's the commitment to regular maintenance that keeps our tunnels safe and functional for years to come. And with that, our tunnel is complete and ready for use. So we've journeyed through the process of constructing an underground tunnel. We started with the crucial planning phase, where engineers and architects come together to design and strategize. Their meticulous work ensures safety and functionality, a truly remarkable feat of human ingenuity. From there, we delved into the excavation phase. Here, the might of machinery and the deftness of workers come into play, carving out a path beneath the Earth's surface. The process is a delicate balance between progress and preservation, ensuring the integrity of the ground above and around. Next, we discussed the strengthening of the tunnel. This is where the structure takes shape, fortified by supports and concrete, transforming a mere cavity into a secure passage. Finally, we touched on the finishing touches and maintenance, the unsung heroes of tunnel construction. These processes ensure the tunnel's longevity and safety for the thousands, perhaps millions of journeys it will facilitate. Next time you travel through a tunnel, remember the engineering marvel you're experiencing. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.